Gardening is an amazing hobby that helps to refresh the body as well as minds. According to health experts, gardening helps to freshen up the body and benefits the immune system, which is very essential for a healthy body and mind. Whether you are looking for advice on the best garden tool sets, then you are in the right place. Gardening tool sets are a great way to get all the gardening tools you need in one purchase. They usually come with a variety of different gardening tools, so you can find the perfect set for your needs. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research and compiled a list of the best garden tool sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Carcel 10-piece stainless steel gardening tool set. Gardening is a relaxing and satisfying hobby that can yield beautiful results. But in order to garden effectively, you need the right tools. That's where our Carcel 10-piece stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tool set comes in. This complete gardening kit includes everything you need to get started. A trowel transplanter, hand rake, weeder, 2 pruning shears, folding saw, weeding knife, garden gloves, and storage tote bag. The gardening equipment is made of heavy-duty solid stainless steel and uses fine polishing techniques to ensure that the mirror is smooth and resistant to wear. The ergonomic, comfy, and flexible non-slip rubber handle reduces wrist and hand strain. Number 2. KIT4 Pros Floral Garden Tool Set. Looking for the best gardening tools that's both stylish and functional? Look no further than the KIT4 Pros Floral Garden Tool Set. This set has everything you need to get your gardening game on point: shears, hand trowel, hand rake, cultivator, transplanter, weeder, sprayer, gardening gloves, and tote organizer are all included. The garden tools are engineered from rust-resistant aluminum. The titanium-coated pruning shears are constructed of Japanese SK5 carbon steel with ultra-fine polishing technology, which provides for corrosion resistance and hardness. And if that wasn't enough, it's lightweight and ergonomic with cushioned handles. They also offer a 90-day worry-free warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. The best part: the set comes in a stylish tote bag with a floral design, perfect for the fashion-savvy gardener. Number 3. Injinded 7-piece CS Stainless Steel Garden Tool. The Injinded 7-piece CS Stainless Steel Heavy-Duty Gardening Kit has everything you need. This set comes with all the essential gardening tools, including a tote, trowel, shovel, weeder, pruner, transplanter, and cultivator. And it's made with high-quality 420 stainless steel, which is harder and more wear-resistant than other materials. Plus, the ergonomic soft handle with TPR rubber coating wrapping the steel holder makes it more comfortable to grip. The gardening tool set comes with a durable tote bag with 8 pockets, so you can keep all your gardening tools organized in one place. Its black and orange colors make it perfect for both men and women. I love how this set comes with pruners because those are essential gardening tools that every gardener needs. This set is perfect for anyone who wants a high-quality gardening tool set that will last them a long time. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this gardening tool set is perfect for all your gardening needs. Number 4. WorkPro Garden Tool Set. WorkPro 9-piece garden tool set is an effective one for gardeners. It is an amazing garden tool set that helps to do versatile gardening tasks. The package dimension is 15.87 into 8.74 into 6.38 inches, with a weight of 5.85 pounds. This garden tool set is made of heavy-duty stainless steel that is extremely resistant to rust and corrosion. The tool set also features a sturdy construction and thick steel components that promise longevity. Each tool has a leather strap to be able to hang from most hooks or nails. The carefully contoured handles made of smooth wood fit easily in your hand and will reduce the pain of yard work on your hands, which help in reduction in fatigue while using them. It includes a storage tote bag, garden gloves, and 4 hand tools: sow dipper, pruning shears, transplanter, trowel, transplant trowel, a small rake, and small fork that are great to dig soil, loose soil, transplanting, cultivation, weeding, and so on. Number 5. Yucca Garden Tool Set. This Yucca Aluminium Hand Tool Set is a valuable one for sincere gardeners. It contains different types of tools that are very effective for maintaining your garden well. The tools of this set are ergonomically designed with a soft grip handle that helps to use and maintain very easily. If we focus on the most affordable and cheap garden tool kit, the Yucca tool set features quite prominently. This is a wonderful and affordable garden tool set that helps to make your garden beautiful and well maintained. As a matter of fact, this garden kit is really an outstanding helper for passionate gardeners. The tool set includes 5 aluminum steel hand tools, SK5 carbon steel pruning shears, a stainless steel snip tool, a waterproof polyester gardening apron with PVC coating and front pockets to carry tools, a plastic spray bottle for misting plants, 1 pair of thick and durable Garden Genie gloves, 1 waterproof garden kneeling pad to take pressure off your knees, and a polyester and PVC tote bag to carry everything when transporting. This garden tool set contains 12 pieces of high-quality gardening tools, which are most likely affordable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.